For this challenge, you are going to need to get the Texas Music Video folder from the Campus Share Drive. And remember that it needs to go on your desktop. That is the blue area right here. Okay? It does not work well on your OneDrive. Once you have it, go ahead and rename it to include your period number, your last name, and then just keep Texas Music Video because that is the name of what we're doing. Now, if you look at the files in here, you're going to see that you have a lot of random clips, and you're going to see that you have one song. This is the song that you're using. You'll need to create a new project for it, and you can go ahead and call it Texas Music Video. And you need to browse because you need to be saving this in the same folder where all the clips are. So period, last name, Texas Music Video, select folder, there it is, and then click OK. Now, you do not have to create an entire music video for this one particular song. So after I import, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to do a Control A, and then I'm going to Control click on the files I don't need, which are the two folders as well as this file, which I'm not sure why it's in there, but that's okay. And then I'm going to click Open. Okay, and they are all right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find my MP3. It's called Chris Ray, Texas, and I'm going to drag that to my timeline. Now the song itself is over 5 minutes, just over 5 minutes. And like I said, you don't need to create something for that whole song. You do, however, need to create a video for at least 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay, you can, if you want to listen to the song and choose your own 1:30, go for it. I am simply going to go to 1:30 using this. That's my 1:30 mark. And I am going to use my razor tool, and I am going to click right on that line and then delete the second half. Okay, that way I'm using, oops, I didn't mean to expand it quite that much. That way I've got just 1.5 minutes that I use here. Okay, all right, so you get to choose which of the clips you use. However, the song does, I chose some of these because of different lyrics in the song. So listen to your 1.5 minutes so that you can choose some clips that would be somewhat appropriate for it. Okay. Now, the first clip that I'm going to put in, actually, yeah,